Hello and welcome to topapps.ai, where we share the latest tools and trends in artificial intelligence. My name is Kaz and today we'll be talking about Kaiber AI. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure those notifications are turned on because we do the research in AI so you don't have to. So we'll stay up to date on the latest and greatest and let you know when there's something new. So now that you're hopefully subscribed to this channel, let's go ahead and get started on today's topic. Are you an artist, content creator, or someone with a vision to express? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Kaiber AI is here to help you bring your ideas to life like never before. With Kaiber AI, your concepts become reality. You can take your own images or text descriptions and watch as the platform's advanced AI algorithms generate dynamic and visually compelling videos based on your ideas. It's like having a content creative partner that understands your vision. Kaiber AI provides a wide range of features and customization options to enhance your video creation process. You are in control. You can adjust your camera movements, shift perspectives, and add depth and visual interest to your videos. And that's not all. You can even extend the length of your videos for a more immersive storytelling experience. Plus, Kaiber AI offers various aspect ratios to ensure compatibility across different platforms and different devices, and we all know how annoying that is to get all of that right. Kaiber is perfect for artists and podcasters as well. With Kaiber AI, you can elevate your tracks and shows on Spotify with visually engaging and looping videos. By creating captivating visual content, you can enhance your listening experience, boost streams, and increase engagement on this popular music streaming platform. It's the perfect way to stand out and make an impact. Kaiber AI is designed with you in mind. Its super simple and intuitive interface allows users of all levels of experience to easily navigate and utilize its features. You don't have to be a tech expert to create stunning videos. Kaiber AI's user-friendly controls ensure a smooth and seamless video creation process. It's hassle-free creativity at your fingertips. And here's the best part. Kaiber AI believes in making creativity accessible to all. That's why the platform offers free usage without requiring a credit card for a sign-up. It's the perfect opportunity for aspiring artists, content creators, or anyone just seeking a creative outlet to dive in and start bringing their visions to life. No barriers, just pure creativity. Kaiber AI is more than just a video generation engine. It's a source of inspiration, a content creation opportunity, and a fun and engaging experience for futurists like you. It's here to empower you at every step of the way. With its versatile features, user-friendly interface, and accessibility, you have the tools to unleash your creativity and make an impact in your videos. So remember, Kaiber AI is here to empower you and make creativity accessible to all. So go ahead and sign up for free and start your creative journey with Kaiber AI. But if you want to learn more about AI tools, go to topapps.ai and browse through our hundreds of AI curated tools. This has been everything for today's video, but thank you so much for watching and we will see you on the next one.